just a quick review of my Myford chucks. First of all, a 4-jaw independent chuck, and that is model 34M. And that comes with, I think by the fact there's a drill hole in these are the soft jaws that are attached, and in the bottom of this tray here are 4 other jaws for this chuck, which presumably are the hard jaws for the chuck. Then I've got, and that's one with a threaded body, no backplate, 6-inch. This is the 4-inch, 3-jaw self-centering chuck. That's model 30M, and it has the chuck body number on there, and the chuck body number is repeated on these 3 external jaws, which are the jaws for that chuck with the matching number to fit that chuck. And then there's another chuck here, which is also Pratt Bernard. Those are both Pratt Bernard or Bernard. I think both those say Bernard, not Pratt Bernard. Those two, the 4-jaw and the 3-jaw. It's another 3-jaw chuck, which is attached to a backplate. So we've got the 3 through holes here on the chuck body, a backplate threaded for Myford, and this is model 1580-01005. So that's that one, and no external jaws for it. It's just a standard 3-jaw self-centering chuck, but it's one of our other Myford owners has said it's always worth having a second chuck if you need to swap over. Right, and a couple more chucks. There's a 4-jaw independent. The label is missing from it, but I'm going to assume it's a Pratt Bernard. It does say on there, embossed into it, made for the Myford Lathe. So it's a threaded body again. No spare jaws with that one. Just the jaws in the chuck. Another 3-jaw chuck. This is, I believe this is grip true. So this one is mounted onto a back plate, because there's a gap between the chuck body and the back plate there, and it has these Allen screws going at angles through it. Correct me if I'm wrong, but anyway, the model number is 638-10130 on that one. And again, I don't have any external jaws for this one. I just have the normal self-centering jaws as shown on the chuck body there. Now the mystery for me is these set of 3 jaws, but with the slot at an angle. The number on the side of this is L28. That is, so that's the number that's stamped on it. 3 jaws, but where this scroll appears to be at an angle, so it goes down, slides down and in. Okay, so this is, if you've listened to this far into the video, this is where I'm asking for your help. What chuck has this come off? Because as far as I can see, that's parallel sliding. That's only 3 jaws, sorry. This is just a straight parallel with the front, the jaws sliding in. I do have a couple of chucks from a different lathe. It's not a Myford. Swing over here. It's off a Myford Lathe. No, I don't have a couple. Yes, there's a 3-jaw chuck, but I don't think those jaws slide in at an angle. It's difficult to see. Maybe if I wind them out, I'll see. I could maybe look at the number on it. And there's another heftier 3-jaw chuck on there if you want to turn anything that's quite big. But they're not Myford. So just showing you them. So this last chuck has written on it, I can make out there, the Bernard, made in England, along there, but I can't find any model number. The only number is the number that you see on the side of the jaws, which may embed within it the model number. But there we go. It's an older chuck. It is a Bernard chuck, and it has 2 sets of jaws. And finally, another 3-jaw self-centering chuck mounted onto a Myford backplate. So it's a generic chuck. It's not got the Pratt Bernard circle on it. If I take it off, I guess I could have a closer look. And it has a spare set of jaws, and it's numbered 50183 on both the chuck body and the jaws. So we've got 2 sets of jaws with this 3-jaw self-centering chuck. So that's it for lathe chucks. Sorry, I thought I'd finished. The video is going to be extended a little bit. In the box underneath, I've discovered another 4-jaw. It's independent chuck. It says fully guaranteed, genuine crown, and a crown in the middle there, 6-inch capacity. And this is one which is on a back plate, which has been made from Myford, and the back plate has been stamped possibly with the chassis number, as it were, of the Myford K7563. So I'll actually take a picture of that in a minute, just for my records. So yeah, that's another one. And it's still not got the funny jaw. Oh, it's a 3-jaw chuck I've got the funny jaws for. So there we are. As somebody said, you can't have too many chucks in case you set something up in a chuck and want to swap it over. But this is a slight disadvantage in that it will be a little bit further away from the spindle nose. Having said that, that very compact back plate there, recessed into the chuck like that, doesn't take up too much extra length of the lathe. So that we have it.